everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's, back with another fun kit for you to make. A quick and easy wreath that will be great for spring and will take you on up until summer. And it is just a couple of stems and some ribbon and it will look amazing. We are going to do it today on this beautiful white grapevine wreath. So these color wreaths are available on our shop at shopdeeslouisville.com. We have white, pink, and a mint color. So I grabbed this one because it's really clean and beautiful. And these hydrangeas and these yellow stems are just really going to pop on this. So we're going to start out with this beautiful white hydrangea stem. I love this. It has so many things that are available on this stem. This is one stem. And as you can see, you're getting some beautiful foliage, those little berries, the little dried little flower accents, the different sizes and textures that are all included in this are just amazing. So this is a beautiful piece. And if you don't want to put it on a wreath, you could always make something that will lay on your table or hang from a big lantern. But we're going to put it on this wreath today. So I cut off the end of that stem. And we're going to try to just put this in here as one whole piece and leave it intact so it's a little less work for you. And I'm going to go up here on this one and we're going to do our design right up here towards the top. So we're going to have that come up there and you're going to go in and kind of fluff up some of your greenery here. Make this all pretty. And we've got that added. So then we're going to take this beautiful yellow. This kind of reminds me of forsythia. I'm not sure what those little flowers are called on this one, but it's a beautiful pick. It's got some amazing textures in it. And again, we're just going to cut this apart into a couple of sections. And everything we do here, we like to do things that will not take a lot of time, but will make an impact. So this is a beautiful piece. And again, quick and easy. So I'm going to take this piece here, and I'm just going to add this up in here. Just put that into that grapevine, and then you can kind of spread this around and mix that yellow up and through there. And again, you could always cut this into more sections if you prefer. Kind of fluff that up in there. And then we're going to take this second piece and we're going to let this one kind of trail down the side here. Now you could put this anywhere on your wreath. It's all personal preference. There's no right or wrong. It's all about what you like and what you want to do. We can open this up, fluff that all up, and you have an amazing wreath. So we could easily flip it and it could go that way. But for this one, we're going to keep it pretty much going this direction. I'm going to kind of bend this leaf over this way, over here. And then we're going to go in and add our beautiful ribbons. And these ribbons are going to be the finishing touch for this amazing wreath. So we have this beautiful plaid here. And I'm going to leave a little tail sticking up because it always adds a little interest in there. We're going to make a loop, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, and then I'm going to have a nice long tail that's going to be able to trail off. So then we have this really pretty welcome ribbon. So I want one of the welcomes to kind of shoot out the top, and then we'll let the rest of this kind of trail down a little bit here. I'm going to take this little turquoise stripe and add that in, make a loop and a loop. And since we have so much yellow, we're going to go ahead and add in a loop of this yellow. We'll put those in there. And then we'll have a welcome that'll trail off there. So we're going to tie off our bow, and the wire is included in your kit. And we're going to go right up in here. You can place your bow anywhere that you want. I'm going to kind of go offset here on the side. And I'm just wiring my bow right around the back of this wreath. And then we're going to go back in and fluff everything up. Trim our tails. And we want to see that welcome. And this is just so crisp and clean and perfect for spring. You could leave it up, take it up through summer, put it in your kitchen, or if you're wanting to give a nice housewarming gift or something to someone maybe in a nursing home or assisted living, a birthday gift. This is a perfect idea to give someone. And better yet, look how quick we created this. So this is another fun and beautiful wreath idea available at shopdeeslouisville.com. And you can check this out and stay tuned for more great ideas.